This is sold as a zero-emission car, but that's not true. That story is incomplete. The pollution didn't disappear. It was just moved. So where does it actually start? It starts before the car is even built. Raw materials for the battery are moved first. Moved by trains, ships, and trucks. Transported to massive industrial plants. Inside these plants, batteries are manufactured here at massive industrial scale. This process needs huge amounts of energy. So where does that energy come from? It comes from the electricity grid, including fossil fuels, which means more emissions up front. Here's the part most people miss. The emissions don't happen later. They happen first.
Wait a minute!
Before the car drives a single kilometer. This is called carbon debt. Think of it like a loan. You pay a lot at the start and pay it back over time. So the bigger question is, do electric cars actually pay it back? Yes, but it depends on where the electricity comes from. On a clean grid, the payback happens faster. On a dirty grid, it takes much longer. Same car, different outcomes. And this is important. The grid is changing. More clean energy is being added every year. This makes the payback faster over time. After that, every kilometer is cleaner than before. So electric cars aren't the problem. The energy system is. And that's what needs to get cleaner. Electric cars are part of the solution. They don't start clean. They get cleaner over time. Electric cars benefit from this automatically. Petrol cars don't. They stay the same. So electric cars aren't perfect. But they're part of a system that can improve. That's the dirty truth about zero emissions.